Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video in which we will learn how to create this kind of pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Go to Select and choose Subject. Now select the rectangular marquee tool and click on Select and Mask. Here, refine some of the areas which have not been selected. Press OK when done. Right-click and choose Layer via Copy to duplicate it to a new layer. Now, select the rectangular marquee tool and select a particular area from the picture. Right-click and choose Layer via Copy. Press Ctrl or Command T and stretch it. Now, go to Filter, Distort and choose Polar Coordinates. Choose Rectangular to Polar and hit OK. Again press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. Bring it below the subject layer. Now, click on the vector mask icon down there and select the brush tool from the toolbar. With black as foreground color selected, remove some of the areas to create an effect like this. You can experiment with different style as per your requirement. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.